Hello, here we go again. We are by the seaside, being blown away by the wind. The wind is coming this way, so you could see that is a ferry that is going round, and it's so amazing. Look at people are going to go in there for cruising. So we are here having. What is that?
Catamaran, that is. Isn't it?
I don't know.
Don't know. Yeah.
So we're just having a nice view there. Look
got a
at
hole in the middle. Yeah. Been on one of them.
How do you call it?
Catamaran.
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 So this is our tour instructor, tour officer. He's having sandwich. Having lunch.
Cheese onion crisp.
So we're having a lot of nice view from here. Such amazing day and sunny. So the other side you can see the, how do you call that side? The shipping yard. So you can see the border control. You can see the border force control in that side. So all the shipping that comes to this area is there. That is ship yard. So you could see everything in that side. All the boats, and we are having. And this is flies. So I'm just being told by my manager to eat up my sandwich.
Supposed to finish through first. Is that nice one?
This is our holiday. I have a bit of sandwich in my mouth. Down. And that is there. So we came out for lunch here and this house is built like a boat yard. Now, did you notice the shape of that house? It's like a ship up there. So it's just like the size of a ship in that building. So it's quite different from other buildings. So just going to see the sea. So you can see people are doing fishing as well there. Yes, water there. I don't want to go near too much. There's speedboat coming there in that side. There's a lot of activities there. Speedboat coming there. Somebody fishing up there. Shaman. So you could see so it's quite busy here. We came here, we are almost like coming here every day. Mila is having his lunch. So that is the view from this side as well. A lot of things going on here. So that is people coming. People are just enjoying it. There's another big ship. There's another big ship coming that way. That is my ship that's coming, arriving from Africa. So it's quite busy site. So what we coming here is city cruises. So people that came cruising are arriving. So am I joining that cruising ship? So I paid for the cruising. It's coming. Paul, do you want to join us?
What?
The cruise.
Sorry.
The cruising is coming. We're going to stand and wait.
Okay.
So it's going that way. So we're going to join them soon. But they're going the other way. So it's always very busy here. So that is. So this is, so you can come here and book for your cruising. That's how it is. So that side you could see so many boats are there. So these are the buildings here. So nice. And that is the other side. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and bye. So steak house. So that is better view from here. So we got all the bikes around here. So we got so many people doing river trips here.